Hi!
So, this is our third day na ba natin?
Third day, yes.
Oh my goodness, it's day 3. The castles.
Good morning, guys. So, this is our third day here na sa Cancun. At gumising ako ng madaling araw. Right now, it's 5:30 a.m. So, tapusin ko lang yung workout namin. And then, magpo-proceed kami. Gigisingin ko pala sila kasi tulog pa silang dalawa. Gigisingin sila para sa next activity namin. Pero yeah, umpisa ako ng workout yung araw na to. Let's go. Hello. So katatapos ko lang mag-gym. Nag-shower ako. Naglaban ng mga basa. Tapos tulog pa rin sila Irene, tsaka si Bianca. Dapat, ang plano namin, we'll catch the sunrise today. Pero unfortunately, maulap ngayon. Nakita ko kanina, sabi ko sa kanila, matulog na lang sila ng straight na lang yung tulog nila, pahinga na sila kasi walang sun. So, yun. Tumambay muna ako dito sa may mga duyan. Habang natutulog pa sila. At ayun ang araw. Ngayon lang sumikat. Feeling ko, medyo umulan kagabi kasi medyo basa tong sand. Yan ang araw. Sayang, wala sila ngayon. Tulog pa sila. Anyways, abangan nyo yung mga gagawin namin buong araw. Relax muna ako dito. Good morning, Bianca!
Good morning, love.
Gising na yung princess namin! I love you! Can you say I love? Can you say I love you? Oh, dance. Can you dance? Dance?
Maga siya nagising ngayon kasi naririnig ko tayo nag-uusap.
Yeah. Uy, magtatry siyang bumaba. Bianca is having breakfast now. Inuna niya yung apple. Wow, good job! Happy? Are you happy? Happy. Water. Okay. Wow, dami ah. Good job. Thank you.
Hello!
Hi!
So, this is our third day na ba natin?
Third day, yes.
Oh my goodness, it's day 3 of our Cancun vacation. And, ayun, hot ni baby. And, today, we're going to Puerto Morelos town. You see, we're just walking along the beach. They say it's about an hour walk. But I think we're gonna be spending more because we have a baby.
Yeah.
So we're just walking.
Mahirap pa
very
maglakad
slowly.
sa sand.
Yeah. Dito medyo matigas yung sand dito. Yung sand kanina medyo malambot kasi yung harap niya parang abandoned na hotel. Look at this hotel, oh. Parang ginagawa pa siya, not completely done. But it's a modern one. It's nice. And that's the Sargassum situation along the beach. So hopefully now na mas smooth na yung walk because marami ng resorts dito. So mas maganda na yung sand, lakaran. And yeah, this is testing our mics because it's very windy right now. So we don't know if you can hear it sa audio.
The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels
Bianca
on
singing.
the bus goes round and round,
Yung mga
all through
resorts sa likod.
town.
Walking along the beach.
The doors on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through.
So may mga kabana or whatever it's called, yung parang bed. So after, like an hour and a half of walking, yeah, it's 1:05. We left at like 11:40.
So
We
almost 2
finally,
hours.
like 1.5 hours. We finally got here sa town.
Sobrang init.
May ano doon, parang Asian, yeah. I think we're gonna go look for the grocery store first. So here we are. I think kakain muna kami bago kami magpunta ng grocery. And we found this empanada place. Is meron ding ano dyan, Chinese place, Asian place. So ito yung Asian restaurant. Okay, so we're here now sa Ruta 40. Babayang empanada. We ordered 2 carnes, dos carnes, y uno pollo.
Hmm?
Hindi ko alam kung uno or una yung one. Uno pollo. Kasi pollo eh. I don't know. So 2 meat and 1 chicken. Oh my God. Sweating so much.
Ginagawa
So hot.
lang nila yung empanada.
Yeah, ginagawa nila. Like parang made to order siya. Pag may umorder, tsaka nila gagawin. Tapos, piprito nila. So, kailangan mo talaga maghintay. Yan. 1.5 hours yata kami nag-walk sa beach. And
Pagod na pagod. Init pa.
may mga yung sand na malambot. Yung pag-step mo, yung talagang lulubog ka. Pero fighter yan, pati si Bianca. Oh.
Sunog na kami.
Kakain sana kami dun sa isang restaurant. Kaso pag kinonvert mo yung menu sa dollars, parang like $30 per meal. So, yeah. Okay, so here's our empanada. Chicken yung kay Lore, and then kay Bianca and I are beef. Look, she's eating it. You like it, baby?
Yummy!
Yay! We're here sa Chedraui. It's like a supermarket. Bili si Lore ng Gatorade.
Nakakaumaw sa labas sa sobrang init.
Yeah, tsaka buti na lang kasi aircon dito. Pagpasok namin, alam mo yung parang relief, babe, nung pagpasok natin dito. Parang, tas buti na lang may upuan. So we're just gonna have like a lunch snack here. What can you say?
Happy? Are you happy?
Are you happy? Happy.
Yeah.
Happy. Good girl. Happy ang give more. More. She likes it. She likes the empanada. There's a lot of food na I really enjoy and Bianca's enjoying it too. So parang, pag konti lang ng ganon, may kahati ka na. So I bought her own empanada.
Oh, yan si Bianca. Hi! Si Bianca, kumakain na.
Mahirap kapag kami.
Nangungulit yun kanina eh. Andito pa rin kami sa may grocery.
Parang ang init masyado pag
Yeah. Pagod na rin, pagod na kami.
grabe pala yung 1 hour.
So, hindi namin alam kung mag-Uber or taxi kami kasi pag Uber, wala namang wifi. Pag taxi naman, hindi rin namin alam yung presyo.
Kasi baka tagain ka.
So,
Opportunity ko yun yung Uber.
maglalakad na lang kami pabalik.
Kaya mo?
Ha?
Kaya mo ha?
Pagdating doon, lalamayan na kami.
Bianca medyo walang problema na ako.
Oo, nangungulit lang yun eh.
Baby
Kapagod. Parang saglit lang naman kami dito pero mas mahaba yung nilakad namin.
mas mahaba yung journey. Sabi nga nila, baby, it's not the destination, it's the journey.
So, nandito na kami sa Uber. Pauwi na kami. Si Bianca. Iyak, iyak ng iyak yan. Well, so, how much yung yung Uber?
Parang, siguro mga $10.
$10. Dinner time! What are you having, babe?
Paella, beef,
Uy, nachos eh. Patikim. Tapos kay Bianca,
Ay, gusto yung scallop. Hindi ako ng scallop.
nag-iiyak kanina yan eh.
Gusto ka nito kalong sa pool.
Wala sa akin. May fish ako dito. Paella din. Umorder din.
Hindi ko nakita.
Doon yan banda.
Meron ka pala.
Malawak dito oh. Yan.
Kala ko dito lang.
So kumuha ako ng salad. Tsaka ng mga, ito parang ano daw to, ilawin na shrimp.
Trip na lang.
Tapos meron silang sinerve na sausage tsaka chicken. Kaya rinubos na kukuha ulit siya. Hi! Si Bianca, inaaliw namin to kasi busog na siya. Umiiyak. So buti na lang may TikTok.
Hindi ka pa ng gano'n. Feeling pala dito.
Enjoy na enjoy si Bianca oh.
Wala pa rin namin ang tingin.
Tulungan na lang kita.
Hindi kita.
So dito sa pwesto namin, pag tingin mo sa labas, ayun na yung pool area. Ang cool. Tapos na kaming kumain.
How do you like the dinner?
I like it. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, masarap dun.
Mm.
And may empanada sila.
Mga meat, ang sarap ng meat. Lalo na yung yung pineapple, yung last part. Sarap.
Yeah, pineapple. Parang roasted na pineapple.
Yes. And ito gusto ko. Ang ganda. Oh. Tapos restaurant din dun sa kabila.
Ay, ano yung ini mo, yun o. Sa harap.
Ito yung kinainan namin.
Ito, babe.
Villa Marina. And wish you were here. So every Friday daw meron parang mga bazaar dito. Sa mga
Ginagawa yung parang torch.
ganun.
Ano yung customize?
Tingnan natin yung iba. Here.
Yeah, well, no, for this now, for this size. Yeah, well, of course, I got the special store. This is a little more, or I got the smaller one. Like this one, the base is a little more. Oh, look at this one too.
And this one as well. What is that, Bianca? What is this? Dinosaur.
Ay, parang glow in the dark yung
Ito mga ceramics. Wow! Look at that! Ito mask naman. What is this, Bianca?
What's this?
Fish. It's a fish.
Bianca, kasi ang ganda yung outfit. Look at Bianca's outfit.
Wow! Nagwala na. Oh, to the time. Ay, meron pa dito.
I thought of the bracelet.
Yeah, bracelet. So, yeah, bracelet with your name on. Wow! Oh, ito mga glow-in-the-dark shirts. What are those? Hola!
I got a t-shirt, guys, over you.
Yeah.
If you like it, take it. With the black shirt, just glow in the dark. Change color with the sunlight. Simple one. It's
Oh,
adult size, or here with the kid size, or with the baby size.
gracias.
Hola. Thank you.
Hola!
Thank you, Mark.
Painting. Wow.
Name.
And this one. Wow! Look at those!
Glow in the dark.
Ito mga leather wallet. Oh, light is off. Hat. What are those, Bianca? Hat?
No, because I only have one of these. So I messed up. Serena.
And this one are figurines.
Yes, I got calendars, Katrinas, I
Cal-
got lions, I got results, obsidian, animals. Where are you
Whoa.
from?
Canada.
Canada. Nice to meet you. This one as well. Glow in the dark. Wow.
And by the way, if you are from Canada, you hear what is cenotes in Mexico. It's a cave. Yep, the cave of mineral. If
Oh.
you go far away and pick it up something here, it's safe to come. This is not porcelain or ceramic, no
Oh,
clay,
yeah.
no pottery, say the other friends. No. The name is Kinich.
Kinich.
Sugar schools, cultural, but make sounds.
Oh, wow.
The minis is just in the eyes.
Oh, like weasel.
That's the lizard.
Gracias, señor.
It means parang nice to meet you.
Ah. Jewelries. Wow! Magnets. You like those magnets? Wow! Yeah. Oh, baby. Oh.
You need a wrapper?
Yeah. Ah. Water big.
May ano to, chef?
Water daw. Water daw. Yeah.
Ano siya tingnan eh, no? Pero pag nasa bahay, parang
Bag. Wow.
pretty.
Nice. And jewelries again here. That's it. Hola. We're gonna get some ice cream. Kabila. Wrong door. Yay! Ice cream. Hola. Hi. Oh, here. Mango. And what is this? Oreo. Gracias. So, coffee time naman kami ni Bianca. Sa Bianca. Maganda dito. Parang anytime, pag napadaan ka gusto magkape, punta ka lang libre.
Meron din silang pastry.
Yeah.
Muffins.
Tapos yung mga tip talagang pinalalapag nilang dun.